Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Shark Scrapper channel, where we are on a mission to get stuff out of the trash and into a resale, reuse, or recycle stream. It's a beautiful morning. The sunrise was gorgeous. We got some high clouds going. Come on, let's dive in to see what we're gonna find. What are you? The cord cutter's been here. Oh, you're a wine rack thingy. Oh, that's fine. We'll take ya. Well, it's a nice big old microwave. Microwaves are one of those things that you can increase the value on by scrapping, and they're relatively easy if you have the space and the time. At a minimum, you want to cut the wire off, sell that as number 2 insulated copper wire. But there's motors in there for cooling, the motor for turning the turntable. There's the magnetron. There might be either a transformer or converter of some sort in there for some more electronics. So there is some additional scrapping value in a microwave if you have the time, the space, and inclination to do so. Let's see if they left any of the brackets and things in here. Nope. That's fine. All right. Man, it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Oh, why did I grab my clippers? I don't need my clippers. We're getting some crutches. Or do I need my clippers? Maybe I do need my clippers. Let's see. Make sure you pay attention all the way through to the end of the video, because during the unload, I'm going to be asking you if you picked up on a certain reference. Oh, this is going to be a lot of fun. I almost can't wait to get to the end of the video, but you got to watch the whole thing or you miss the reference. Come on, get in there. Yeah, we'll just grab that, grab that. Grab that. Okay, so you guys will go in with the shred little gecko lamp. Gecko lamp. You're going in there. You're going back there. I don't know what that blue ring thing is, but you're all going back there. Okay. I see fan blades. Let's go see if there's a fan. There's the box, but there's no fan. Bummer. Somebody did some redecorating and didn't keep the pieces for me. Well, we'll get the cast pot metal, aluminum, whatever, off of there. Anything else down inside of here for me? Soda can. Little screw key. How about over here? Nope. Nope. Oh well. Let's see what we got going here. Those look like oil filters. Motorcraft, so somebody was doing some sort of vehicle maintenance. Yeah, those are oil filters. What else we got down here? Anything? Yeah, we got a little bit of metal. There's some more metal. Some more. Oh, Oh my. And some adapter plugs. What are you? Oh, casters. Isn't that interesting? Huh. And what are you? You're kind of heavy. You're kind of big. You're kind of circular. You are wire. Oh my. That's a spool of insulated copper wire. Look at that. I think that made today worthwhile right there. Let's get you straightened up. All right, well, thank you, folks. Oh, look at that. And there's more wire. All right, that was a good stop. Thank you all very much. Lamp, big old lamp. Get some more cable out of there. I got it. Well, that was real smart, Chuckhead. What a moron. What a moron. I was trying to get it in there. I need to, oh my, get the smalls put away. Stuff that microwave with the smalls, but I might be taking stuff back to the shark cage. So those things, if I don't get a lot of stuff today, those things will go back to the shark cage. Put a little scrapping on them. And we got a few little tidbits sticking out of this bag. Might as well grab them. Let go of the bag. There we go. You're a wood. Yeah, you're a pool cue. It's a fan. Wow, it's a heavy fan too. Well, we'll go ahead and grab this metal. These curtain rods. Life preserver. I'll never wear another life preserver. All right, I'm quickly going to run out of hand space. All right, fortunately, that's the last one. Oh, yeah. Hey, how you doing this morning? Beautiful dogs. I did see something. It's old chair. Come on, chair. You're about to see a perfect example about why I am really careful about not blocking people's driveways.
I'll help you load it.
Oh, okay, thank you. I wonder if this guy would have been quite as nice and friendly and helpful if I had been blocking his driveway and he had to wait for me to move the sharkmobile and stuff like that. Maybe. Maybe not. I don't normally get such offers.
Good timing.
Yeah.
Just pulled in.
Which way you want to go?
That doesn't matter. It's pretty late.
All right.
So.
Yeah. We just. Cool. And I'm just going to spin it around up there. Fire department?
Yes, sir. Yep.
Honor.
Oh, yeah. Appreciate your service too.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. I had a table sitting out here too. I guess somebody nabbed it, but.
Yeah, it happens. We just try to get it all in the recycle so it doesn't end up in the trash.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I appreciate your service again, and.
Thank you.
Take care. Thank you.
Be safe.
You too. Thank you.
All right. Is this vinyl or metal? Metal. It's an old shed. An old shed that has now had better days. All right, well. I wonder what we can do about that. Those big sheets like that could be a bit of a problem. Okay, that takes care of one section. All right, let's get this tied down so it doesn't blow out of the back of the Sharkmobile and get back out there. Metal chair hanging out there. And a gecko, wooden gecko with a busted tail. Unfortunately for wooden geckos, they can't grow their tail back again. All right, little bicycle. Little Spider-Man bicycle. So one of my clients was waiting for me actually, and he didn't set the stuff out because there's other people running around grabbing things, of course, other scrappers. So he's had a couple of rotors and some chunks of metal that are in there. But the really special thing, actually two special things. So big old chunk of copper pipe here, and then a great big backflow valve thing. Not as big as what we've picked up from him before, but still very nice. Nope, I'm not stopping for the styrofoam. That's not what we're getting. We're going to get this fan that's hiding back here. Right.
Go Navy!
Beat Army! All right, you still have your battery. So you're gonna go in there. We're gonna have to do a little scrap action on you. Yeah, it's funny, you can tell that was a Navy guy. Is at Naval Academy in West Point, we always have quite the rivalry going, and that was always the thing. You see a Navy guy, you say, "Go Navy," and the response is, "Beat Army," referring to the Army-Navy game of every sport we play. Oh my, we have some computers. What do you know about that? Now that's just way too freaky. Hey, are you empty? You don't feel like you're empty. Let's see. No, you're not. That's a shame. But computers show this computer, this Dell, has all its guts. I can tell by the weight. Now this gaming shell is empty. Oh my. Except for a power supply and a CD. But I have a friend who wants to build up a computer. He wants to build up a gamer. It's actually one of the guys at the scrapyard that I buy my computers from. This is what's funny. Because I buy the computers from them, they're not allowed to scavenge them. So he asked me if I had some components that he could buy from me. I'm not gonna sell him this stuff. That would just be wrong. I'll pay for it, and then we'll pull up here out of the way and grab that stuff. So what I'll do is I'll buy it, and then I'm setting aside some things that he might be able to take advantage of. He can't afford to buy a new one, and so he wants to try to build one up for his son the best he can. So I'm gonna give him whatever I can find that might be useful. Can you believe that we did not find any ubiquitous wire shelving? I don't know what's going on, but it was still a good scrapping day. Our shred was 340 pounds at 10.25 cents a pound. The price went up, so that was $34.85 there. We had a whole bunch of non-shred kind of stuff that in the back seat, these rotors, that scooter, that kind of stuff. So this was a really good scrap day. It was really funny. They had a radio playing, so I have to mute the audio. And I really wish I could have kept it going because it was Miley Cyrus' Wrecking Ball. Just would have been freaking hilariously appropriate. Hey, speaking of things that are hilariously appropriate, did you pick up on the movie and the line from the movie that I referenced during today's scrap out? If you did, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. And if you really want to have some fun, who was the actor that stated the line that I referenced? Oh, this is going to be so much fun. I can't wait to post this video. Hey, if you liked it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's the icon that's going to be in the middle of the links that are taking you to more of my street scrapping videos. You all be safe. We'll see you on the next one.